In this video, we are going to fix 0x80070541 Windows Update error in Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. How we can do that? At day start, make a right click, scroll up and find for settings. Now click on it. Once you have opened the settings, you need to navigate to the left pane and find for an option called System. Click on that one. And here at the system, you need to scroll down and find for an option which is the troubleshoot. So click in here and afterwards you'll see this option. Please proceed to other troubleshooters. So under the troubleshooters, please find for Windows Update and run the troubleshoot for it. So just have to troubleshoot for Windows Update because in some of the cases, the moment you will run for Windows Update for this troubleshoot, the moment you will run for troubleshoot for Windows Update, your problem will be fixed. Okay, so just complete the procedure. It will take 3 minutes or less than that. It would depend on your machine. And once you are done, I would suggest to restart your computer. And once you've restarted it, you need to proceed to the second solution. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. So the next step that you need to do is you need to bring up your Google Chrome browser and please type for Microsoft Update Catalog and proceed to the Microsoft.com website where you can see this Microsoft Update Catalog. So basically, this Microsoft Update Catalog is the official website where you can manually add your, where you can manually update, sorry, where you can manually update your Windows. So by that here, you just have to search for the latest version for Windows 11 update. Usually Windows update goes with keybs, okay? So let's say for example this keyb 504 or 5041865 is the latest version. So just type it here and click on search. Once you've clicked on it, you'll see this list of results. Go for the latest update, click on it, and then download it, and then install it in your PC and run it in your computer. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video had helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.